Hey, once again, back with the January Pro Wrestling Crate Mystery Box. I think it's like 30 or 35 bucks a box. Comes in once a month. You can have t-shirts, autographed photo of somebody, famous wrestler, a pin, sometimes a comic book, all kinds of nonsense in here. Hey, we'll open it up, see what we got. If you like the video, like it, share it, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. You see anything you like, you want to purchase, I got an eBay store. It'll be on the bottom of this. Or you can just buy it direct. Go through my my email. Let's see what we got. There we go. I'm not going to look. Okay. Just tells you what's on the other side, tells you what's in the box. Alright, spoiler alert. The other side of this card contains the contents of this crate. Next month, in the box will be Eddie Guerrero, Mercedes Money, the Jericho Appreciation Society, Just Incredible, Coco Beware, also known as Coco Going Nowhere, and Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. One of the best wrestlers ever. Alright, we'll do a shirt first. So we got, I've seen some of it, I think it's Darby Allin. Or maybe not, I don't know. Very nice and very evil. That's what it says. Size extra large. And it's black, which is nice. Okay. Here's a comic book. Jay White, Mike Kingston, Doug Hills, and Jacob Basic. Headlock Tales from the Road presents Henry Hardwicker and the Hurt Factory. Okay. Next item. What is this? Hey, Trey, this is for a can of soda or whatever, but I have no idea who that is. I have no idea. Okay, next item. Let's see what we got. Well, the pen. Ugh, looking at me, looking at you. So this is... I have no idea who that is either. But it's a pin. Okay, I think we have 2 items left. 1. Nope, 3 items left. Let's do the action figure. Anybody good? Shane Douglas. I don't think it looks like him at all, but what do I know? Shane Douglas. We're going to do the video. We're going to do the 8x10 autographed picture. Anybody good? I have no idea who this is. No idea. Alright, last item in the box. It's another shirt and it's black. Excellent. Bruiser King Kong Brody. He was murdered in Mexico back in the 80s, I think. Was stabbed to death. But what a wrestler. I remember watching him against Bruno Sammartino, Chief Jay Strongbow. But he wrestled everywhere. But then he was murdered. It's too bad. He was a great athlete. That's it. Extra large, and it's in black. This one I may keep. I don't know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, like it, share it, hit the bell icon. I'm trying to do a video, maybe 2 a day, you know, because I got this, I got the Amazon boxes, I got to do the records. But, all right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.